Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to talk to you all about the product review company Influenster and how you can be a part of it and giving you a little bit of ins and outs on the company. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I post freebies and wins videos every Wednesday, as well as product reviews and unboxings. So you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can be reminded each and every time that I upload videos. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Influenster is a program that sends out thousands of boxes a month full of free stuff in hopes that you'll use your social media influence to tell everyone you know what you think about these products. If you like Influencer, you'll want to also check out like Buzz Agent and Pinch Me, and these are other like programs that give out free boxes of samples as well. Influencer Vox Box is a box full of full-size free products that you get to review and keep. These boxes are often based on a theme, but are sometimes a single product or a group of products from the same company. These are truly awesome boxes, and they can contain hundreds of dollars worth of free stuff. So, how to join Influencer? You can visit Influencer and click the Get Started to register by email, or you can sign up using your Facebook account. From there, you'll receive a link in your email that you can visit to fill out your profile. Influencer is a completely free program to join, and you don't need to have an invite. Connecting your social media accounts. The first thing that you want to do after you join Influencer is to connect your social media accounts, and that means Facebook and YouTube and Instagram, just whatever sites that you're on. And you can do this by visiting their social impact page. So at the top of that page, you'll see your impact score. So the higher the score, the more likely you are to get sent a Vox box full of free products. And your impact score is like the best way to get a Vox box. So you got to make sure that you put in that effort of making sure that you continue to increase those numbers. Also, go through and connect like all of your social media accounts onto the page, and it may take like a few hours for your impact score to be calculated, so just be patient. And if you still have a low impact score after your social media has been connected, then here are a few things that you can do to increase it. Number one, increase your social media followers. Number two, invite friends to join Influencer. The more social the friends, the better. And number three, if you have a blog, add the Influencer widget to it. Increasing your chances of getting a Vox box is by answering the snaps. On your dashboard, you'll see a section called Snaps. Snaps are quick questions that determine if you qualify for one of the Vox boxes. You'll want to make sure that you check your Influencer dashboard frequently and answer any of the snaps that you have that are available. Pay attention to the Influencer emails. Influencer will sometimes send out emails with surveys that may qualify you to receive a Vox box. Make sure that you take these surveys as soon as you can, and you possibly will be able to snag up like a box full of products. When Influencer is going to send you a Vox box, you'll get an email letting you know that it is coming in the mail. If you qualify for a campaign, you'll receive your Vox box in the mail. Be sure to visit the campaign section on your dashboard at this time to see what tasks that you have to do for that particular Vox box. Once these arrive in the mail, you'll have like certain social media tasks that you'll have to do to get a campaign badge. This may include like, filming an unboxing video, blogging about your Vox box, maybe tweeting photos of your products, as well as like posting reviews on Facebook. So you have to make sure that you complete as many of these opportunities, these activities as you can. So the more active you are, the greater the chance that you'll receive another one. So once the Vox box campaign starts to close, you'll receive like a survey in your email. So you got to make sure that you fill out this survey because it greatly increases your chances, of getting another box. Each campaign has a different theme, so it's never going to be the same thing that you receive. Like for instance, at one point there was like a Calvin Klein campaign where they had all these different fragrances and stuff. And then there was another time there was a Jergens body collection campaign. As with any product review company, it is always stressed that you do not take these products and try and sell them. These are given free to you for you to use, and if they give you an opportunity to share these with other people, share them, but do not sell them on eBay, on Amazon, anywhere. You will if found out, be kicked out from the different programs. So guys, be smart, get these free items and enjoy it. And don't forget to write a great review. Well, guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I will see you all next Wednesday with more freebies and wins. Guys, enjoy the rest of your day. And I will talk to you again soon. Bye.